You have more products here from Promos Logos that you can personalize with your company. Right here is an ice scraper, or for the winter, when you're trying to get in your car and can't see, you can personalize that. Also makes a great gift, great for events. This product here, this triangle shaped product, what you do is you basically twist and pull. You have different highlighters that your employees can use, which can be personalized with your company name through promoslogos.com. And how many people that have cell phones? Just about everybody, right? Here's a neat looking cell phone holder. Okay, it's got a lever right here. It moves back and forth. Clip on the back, which you can personalize with your company. And the next product we have, this is a lollipop. Check that out. Inside here is a lollipop, which you can personalize with your company. In the back, they have all the nutritional facts and everything. So these are just additional products right here that you can personalize with promoslogos.com. Many, many more on our website. And we look forward to helping you with personalizing your company. Thanks.